buya nesweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, umuntu omnyama buya esweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, umuntu omnyama buya esweni. Sifele embelekweni, it's pain and you can't speak. When you a black man, it's really hard to make ends meet. Turn emotions into masterpiece, then I take a script, put my emotions in a beat, and that's where I speak. Black man, you're on your own. Elimhlophe ibala lasixhaphaza ngenxa ye-skin tone. Angikwazi ukuyilwa ngi-alone, asibe munye sibambisane ukuze sokwazi ukufeza le goal. Siphila impilo efast, ngeke sishintshe i-past, but ukushintsha i-future nakanjani le yi-must, ekasi kuphakama i-dust. Take a journey esigamleni, sithathe ilofu bese sishiya i-crust, kuze sishintshe isimo, sifuna ukuguqula impilo. Every day ipapa nemfino, nakhona mawunemfino, consider yourself blessed, ngoba khona abaswelile abalala bangana-next and okwes. Mele ngapha sikhafe tax and pay for the water that is running on our taps. Time to confess, being black is a trap. It's a cage and a trap, it's only soul that is left. Buya nesweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, umuntu omnyama buya esweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, umuntu omnyama buya esweni. Streets of Soweto, ezole emakasana, abaningi abaphephanga, emini singakapa ngephanga, izinja ezingazwisisanga, awubuzisisanga, izinja efaka ukushisa makuyi-winter kuba isama, khohlwa. Senzela udoti le-system, mawuthi ubheka trend, udakhi kuphela uyi-victim. Vakashekini kunombhede ulale phansi, indaba nathi siloko si-black sicekelana phansi. It's a struggle of a black man. Speak truth to a dead man, they only hate man. Ngicela sibumbaneni sibe munye ebusuku emini ekuseni, masimunye amandla wapheli futhi asideli. Bheka la ngiyakubhekisa, akusuka ukuthi ngiyakulahlekisa, udidwa ukuthi ngiyakuhlekisa. Buya nezweni niyazi ukuthi kumele senzeni, ngithi asibangeneni kuze izokwazi ukulala yidlile imndeni. Sithathele kwale apule lase-Eden, sirivile yonke inkohlakalo ehidden. On a silver plate impilo zethu will be given. Now uphile fresh upayidladla ngoma Sweden. Buya nesweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, umuntu omnyama buya esweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, buya nesweni, umuntu omnyama buya esweni. Matiro Lord Christ.